Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So let's start with the August reading for Libra. Libra 2021 August. Let's see what we have for Librans. Okay, Libra, let's tell me in August. Most balanced sign, huh, Librans? I know all the Librans, they are so well read and so knowledgeable. Okay. Libra, August 2021. I think they're looking for something. They've come into their heart space, I feel, in the month of August. Work is changing for them. Okay. Their aim is to have a happy space in their life. Right now, there is a cycle happening and there's an energy of old relationship ending and new ones coming in their life. First week is all about communication. There's going to be a lot of communication in your work. There's a lot of new beginning of things. Maybe your work, maybe something had stopped and now it's starting again. There is a lot of communication energy. Maybe there's a lot of meetings, a lot of projects, a lot of online meetings, or maybe meeting people. A lot of that, and also you will have a lot of clarity. Like your mind will be very clear and sharp, and you will be thinking right, and you will be on the right path. Right path. Very, very good message. This is the first week, and the second week there is a lot of big dragons that you're fighting at work. Like you will be having these big obstacles in your work which you are trying to overcome at work, which I feel you will be able to overcome. Also, I feel there's a lot of jealousy you are facing at work. A lot of jealousy energy. I will tell you in some time what to do. A lot of jealousy also you will face, so please don't lose your power, don't lose your personal power. That will actually if somebody is jealous of us and we are sorry of us, and if we are giving those people a lot of power by saying, oh, they are jealous, oh, they are jealous, stop doing that. Even if they're jealous, it's not going to affect me. You have to be mentally strong. Okay. Your third week will bring you position, money, creativity, a lot of good projects, like a lot of good, abundant energy basically in the third week. In the fourth week, some people might travel for work, or they might go visit a spiritual place, or some people might change their stream of working. Some people might go through um, a time where they feel that people have not been fair to them. Okay, so they might leave the current job or position and go to another one for their better benefit. And there is a benefit if you leave, let me tell you. But that whole journey of leaving and going is not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy at all. So some people might change their job, work, business, whatever they have, and that will change their work. That will make it better. So currently, maybe where you are, you're not happy, you will change. There's a lot of change, travel, moving on energy. Okay, but this moving on is not easy, so be careful. Alright, so the first week is clarity, second week is jealousy, third week is abundance, and fourth week is change. So maybe after you gain what you have wanted in the third week, you will change. You will change because you cannot be always be between toxic people. That's what I feel. You will move away from toxicity. So okay, change is good, but it is difficult. That we all know. However, we can take this difficulty if it's for our higher good, isn't it? We can. So, Librans, be strong, take care of yourself, and if you're constantly facing jealousy, please make sure, like I'd given on Instagram once this upay, take an alum in a plastic bottle, add vinegar in it, 2-3 spoons of vinegar, take it around your self and go and throw it in a public dustbin. Okay, do this 2-3 Saturdays, it will benefit you. Okay, now let's see what our relationship says. Liberals. One card just fell off, so I will acknowledge it. Okay. In your relationship, you need to make a decision. I feel. Lot of sacral chakra energy. I feel that your sacral chakra is opening. Your sacral chakra is connected to your heart chakra, and your sacral basically is opening for receiving love, receiving relationship. Up till maybe now, you did not receive and you were blocked from inside, but now you are opening yourself. You are. You're making a decision in your life where you need to have this person in your life or relationship, some kind of love decision you're going to make. You're going to nurture that person, or that person is going to nurture you. There's a lot of karmic changes, and you're also seeking truth, but somewhere something will be revealed to you. The curtain, as if the curtain is opening, you're seeing, oh my god, this is there, that kind of a thing. And you're going to acknowledge it, because when you acknowledge this relationship reverence, it's going to blossom. That is the first card that fell off. There's only love. How cute. And there's rainbow. So definitely what I feel intuitively, Librans, there's not just one, but many options are coming to you. Many options are coming to you in the month of August, and you will choose the one which actually activates your heart chakra, maybe the one which is unconditional love. That is what I feel. You will only choose that in the month of August. Okay, nice. How cute. Nothing like love, isn't it? So let's see what we have as a fairy message for you. One fairy message for Librans. Celebration. Now this celebration is to do with coming together with someone. Maybe there's marriage, maybe there is commitment, just verbal commitment, or maybe this is engagement. Something you're going to celebrate your love in the month of August. You're going to choose someone, definitely, and you're going to celebrate. That's beautiful, isn't it? So that's all for today. Please call me for paid appointments only. Email me for paid appointments only. And follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon, and take care. And email me if you want an appointment only, please. And that's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye. Love you.